Hello everyone, welcome to the India, the largest live learning platform. How are you guys? कैसे हैं आप लोग? Everyone, welcome to this session. Rajla, Samyukta, everyone, Vineet. So guys, today we are going to discuss about this is you can see that the signaling system practice session part 1 will take total 10 session. Total 10 session will take in every weekend. Saturday and Sunday. Good evening, Anusha, Shivam, Nishita, right, Rohit, everyone. Welcome to the session. Okay, let me introduce myself, Akshat Kalyani, everyone, and please share among all of your friends. मैं थोड़ा share करने के लिए भी बोल देता हूँ option ये रहा. Everyone, please share among all of your friends so that more and more people will join the session and get benefited. Okay, Kalyani, Akshat, Sweta, Priyanka, Hariharan, very good evening, beta. Okay, my name is Chandan Jha. I have 11 plus years of teaching experience. I have cracked ISRO exam. I have qualified the GATE multiple times with the All India Rank 23, All India Rank 26. Right. Okay. I have mentored more than 30,000 students. I have done my master's into the communication and networks. Apart from the teaching, I'm also taking the motivational session. I have already taken more than 200 motivational sessions in various engineering colleges, including NITs and IITs. And this is my area of expert subject. Right now, we are practicing the signals and systems. So why very less people attending the session? Let me share into the everywhere so that more people will attend the session. हाँ 9 बजे भी हो गए सौम्यता ये तो 1 घंटे की है okay let me share guys and then we'll start. Okay, one thing more, this is a vision super batch. In the vision batch you will get the vision means gate plus ESC, vision gate means only the gate, right? Okay, quiz sir ji, GA का quiz on Rakesh sir. Okay Vinayak, got it. एक बार जब तक शेयर भी कर दो आप लोगों में, मैं एक बार फिर से शेयर वाला ऑप्शन दे देता हूं. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's start now. Good evening, everyone. So, चलिए शुरू करते हैं सेशन को. One question I have given as it is, like everyone, 1 hour session. This is a 1 hour session. Today is the basic part, so very you can say that no question of the objective, but the homework question, or you can say that the good quality question we are going to discuss in this today's session. The first question is this: we have to generate. You have to define the f of t in the terms of this g of t. You have to write the f of t in the terms of g of t. How we are going to write? So Divya, very good evening. Amulya, Tanay, Shanmukta, everyone. There will be the 2 method to write. Method 1, I'm just giving you the method 1. There will be the 2 method by which we can represent this function. Dinesh, very good evening. Divya. Okay. In method 1, if you want to form it, you can feel from 0 to 1, the magnitude is 1. From 1 to 2, the magnitude is 2. And from 2 to 3, the magnitude is 3. So everyone. This is the 1 method, right? Good evening, Pujita. How are you, beta? Okay. So first, let me take this function. Then this function. And then this one. So everyone try to understand, this is called 0 to 1. This is called 1 to 2. This one is called 2 to 3. Right, Pujita Rachla, yes. Correct. So everyone, if you want to write this one, this is called magnitude 1, this is called magnitude 2, and this one is called magnitude 3. This one is called g of t. This is called twice of g of t minus 1. This is called thrice of g of t minus 2. So if you want to represent this f of t, if you'll add these three signals, you will get the f of t only. Good evening, Kanak. Okay. So this one is called g of t plus twice of g of t minus 1 plus thrice of g of t minus 2. This is the one approach by which we can solve this question, right? There will be the second approach also, guys. And what should be the second approach, everyone? Method 2. Good evening, Shubham. Method 2. So do one thing. Okay, everyone. Suppose if you are taking the function like this, then also you will get the same if you'll add it, because this is the magnitude 1. This is also the magnitude 1. This is also magnitude 1. And what should be the g of t? Sir, g of t is called looking like nothing. It is just this. Zero to 1. It is called nothing. It is just a 1 g of t. So everyone, you can feel this one is the stretched form 0 to 3. This is called 1 to 3, and this is called 2 to 3. Ramesh, interactive session will be happen only into the, you can say that today is the only theoretical actually question we are discussing. That's why we are taking, it is looking like this, but try to understand the app. Every class is going to be happen into the, this you can see that the screen only, right? Because there will be the no features of the interactive session onto the smart board, right? No, Vinayak. So this one, if you want to write, this is called nothing. It is just a g of t by 3. And this one is called nothing. It is just a g of t minus 2. So these two things is basically known to us. Now everyone try to understand. Now if you want to how we are going to form this one, तो देखो एक चीज समझो. If we'll make the signal like this, इसको oh. Everyone, if suppose if the function is 1 by 2 to 3 by 2, and now suppose this is whatever the function is given. Now if you scale by, right, scale by 2 or scale by 1 by 2, then you will get the same function or not? Yes sir. If scale by 3, तो थोड़ा सा गलत लिख दिया, I think 2 से करो, नहीं सही तो है. So everyone try to understand how we are going to write it. Sir, do one thing for this. Sir, how we can form from this to this? Sir, we want to form, you can do one thing, g of, इससे इसको ऐसे बनाना है. So do one thing, how we can do it, everyone. g of t, इसको ऐसे समझ लो आप. Suppose this is called x of t. Sorry to disturb. There will be the class again at 9 p.m. Yes, Guru. Yes, Guru. Okay. Now everyone try to understand. If you want to write like this, you can do, there will be the 1, 2, 3. So magnitude should be 2. So first you have to write, you have to do it. G of t by 2. So if you write gt by 2, so gt by 2 is basically looking like this, everyone. Try to understand first. Sir, g of t by 2 is basically nothing. It is just a. There will be the two technique. Either you can do the first shifting or then scaling, or first scaling and then shifting. Then does not make any difference, right? This is called like this: 0 to. It will become 2. Magnitude 1 right now. Now everyone try to understand which 2 is basically going to happen. Now if you want to shift this signal by 1 by 2, right, इसको और कैसे बना सकते हो? This, and if you write the t as a t minus 1, इसको एक काम करो ना, g of t by 2 minus 1 by 2, if you write, what is going to be happen? 2 to 1 by 2, 2 by 2. No, it is also not answer. No, Dinesh, this is not answer for the second graph, because g of t by 2, if you are writing, this is called like this, right? And now if you replace t by 1, yes, this is the correct answer. Correct. Scaling by 1 by 2, if you write, it is going to be shift. If it will be shifted by 1. Yes, so this is called nothing. It is just a g of t minus 1 divided by 2. Not t by 2 connect. It's t by 2 minus 1, or we can write g of t by 2 minus 1 by 2. Are you getting my point, everyone? Yes, Anuj, there will be the one technique. So this one also you can write, dekho. So we can write this one, g of t by 2 minus 1 by 2. This is also correct. Now the second one, lots of people will think according to this also. Ki sir, how we are going to get it? Ki, if this one is subtracted, or we can say that g of t by 3 is subtracted from the g of t, then also you are getting the same function, this one. So that will be the third method also. One function you can represent in the n number of ways, right? So everyone try to understand. You can write, there will be the n, Rohit, there will be the n number of ways to represent it. So the first technique, you can write g of t by 3 plus g of t by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus g of t minus 2. This is the second method. By third method, if you want to discuss, then you can write, ki sir, if you want to form it, okay, in this signal g of t by 3 minus g of t, you will get the same simple this function. So we can also write, this one is called nothing. It is just a g of t by 3 minus g of t. So your answer will also looking like g of, one option is also g of t by 3 plus g of t minus 2 plus g of t by 3 minus g of t. This is also your answer. This is also your one answer. So there will be the several options are there to represent this function, guys. This function. How many of you understood? Write down yes or no, everyone, so that we can move into the next. Write down yes or no so that we can move into the next. बहुत बढ़िया. Okay, one more question. This one is given. Again, you can feel there will be the several technique. One technique by which, if you want to represent this function, you can feel from 0 to 1, this is the function, magnitude 4. Here it is going to be decrease. AK, explain the middle function, sir. This one, for this one. Okay. How we can write it? Bhargavi, a very good evening. Abhinaya, Bhargavi, why late, beta? Okay. So 1 by 2, if you'll shift, so it will become 1 by 2. So it will become 1 by 2. And this will become nothing, 1 plus 1 by 2. That is called 3 by 2. Right? Okay. Now do one thing. Is scaled by 3 or 2. Now if you want to represent g of t by 2 minus 1 by 2, then t by 2 is scaling is there. First we have done the shifting and then scaling. There will be no issue on it. So if you'll do it, only the time frame is basically divided by 1 by 2. So you can say that divide by 1 by 2 means multiply by 2. So you will get nothing. It is just like this. By divide by 1 by 2 means what? Multiply by 2. This one, middle one. Okay, now if you want to represent this function, guys, how we are going to represent it? Everyone, if you want to represent none, you can do one thing. Okay, देखो, first one is called like this, second one is called like this, third one is called like this, and here it is also going to be happen. There will be again several methods to represent this particular function. Easiest way, if you want to write, we can write g of t minus 4 plus 4, sorry, minus 4 plus 2 g of t plus 3 plus 3 g of t plus 2 plus 4 g of t plus 1 plus 4 g of t minus, sorry, g of t only, 3 g of t minus 1, 2 g of t minus 2, and simple g of t minus 3. This one is the answer, everyone. So one answer is this. Anybody have a doubt or clear? Everyone write down yes or no. This is the one answer if you want to write. This is the first method you can write. Very simple it is. Second method, if you want to discuss, guys, in the second method, very simple, we can write the second method. Jyoti, it's very easy. Jyoti, look at this function, guys. This is the g of t. So as it is, I am writing this is called g of t with the magnitude 4. So 4 g of t. Like that we are writing. Okay. Second method also you can choose like this. Okay. Everyone try to understand. ये थोड़ा सा non-symmetric it is looking like, but actually it is asymmetric. Minus 4 to 4, minus 3 to 3, minus 2 to 2, minus 1 to 1. All right. If you'll add it, all function, you will get the same. Vedant, where it is minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2? वेदांत देख लो कहां पे तुमको 1 by 2 दिख रहा है. मुझे तो कोई 1 by 2 नहीं दिख रहा है. Okay. Now if you want to write it, everyone, do not write the terms of u of t. Yes, in the u of t is also fine. If you want to write into the u of t, it's also fine. But we have to write into the g of t only. So everyone try to understand how we can write. Dekho. This one is called like this. So first you have to do the shifting. So it will become minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2, 1. This is called g of t plus 1 by 2. Right now, we have to from minus 4 to 4. So minus 4 to 4, so we have to multiply by 8. This should be multiplied by 8, multiply by 8. So it will become minus 4 to 4. So scaling will done by the t by 4. T by 8, sorry. So you can write g of t by 8 minus 1 by 2. In the similar manner, here the 3. So 1 by 3. So you can say that multiplied by what? 3 chahiye. Here should be the minus 3 and here should be the plus 3. So by which factor we have to divide? Can anybody give me the answer? By which factor we have to divide? Krishna said decreasing, no sir, in method 1. Huh? Six. Correct. Very good. So we can write g of t by 6 minus 1. We can write g of t by 4 minus 1 by 2. And this is called g of t minus 1 by 2. Sorry, plus 1 by 2. Everything is plus, I think. Not minus. I think it is a plus. That's why it is shifted by 1 by 2. No? Plus, yes. So you can write this or add this function g of t by 8 plus 1 by 2. G of t by 6 plus 1 by 2. Plus g of t by 4 plus 1 by 6. G of t by, इसको by करने की जरूरत नहीं, g of t plus 1 by 2. You will get the answer. Everyone understood this one, this method? Sanskriti, there will be the several technique. I have already given, there will be the several technique by which we can write. विनीत एक बार रिपीट करो. विनीत बेटा आप बहुत कंफ्यूज हो यार. देखो समझो विनीत क्या बोल रहा हूं. ये जो फंक्शन है ना विनीत, समझो ये कहां दिक्कत कहां रही है शिफ्टिंग और स्केलिंग में. जी ऑफ टी को अगर आपको मैंने बोला ये जी ऑफ टी है, अगर मैंने बोला ये बनाना है 1 by 2 से लेकर minus 1 by 2 तक, minus 1 by 2 से लेकर 1 by 2 का फर्स्ट ग्राफ. हाँ ये देखो ये वाला ग्राफ क्लियर है तो फर्स्ट भी क्लियर होगा विनीत. अगर ये मैग्नीट्यूड 1 है, इसको बोल से अपन g of t plus 1 by 2. एंड नाउ अगर आप इस ग्राफ को अगर मैं 8 से g t by t is replaced by t by 2, t by 8, then this graph is going like this. 4 minus 4 magnitude is 1. So this one is required ना. So this is called like this. अब इन सबको ऐड करिए तो देखो from minus 1 to 1 you will get the magnitude 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. You will get 4. Here also it is 4. From 1 to 2, if you write 1 to 2, it is not there, but it is there. 1 plus 2 plus 3, you will get the 3. That's why you are getting the 3. 1 to 2. Same thing has happened with here also. Okay. Now we are moving on the next. Everyone try to understand. If you understand, one more question for you. Sir, first question, if you want to solve minus infinity to plus infinity sine t minus pi by 2 plus del of t minus pi by 2. So first, if you want to solve, how we are going to write? Minus infinity to plus infinity sine t minus pi by 2 del of t minus pi dt. Whenever the impulse is multiplied with the any function, we have to put the impulse, or we have to put the value of t where the impulse is present. Impulse is present at t equal to pi, so we can write t equal to pi. So here it will become minus infinity to plus infinity sine of pi minus pi by 2 del of t minus pi dt. And here you are getting the answer, nothing, sine 0. So sine 0 into the out, sine pi by 2, sorry, outward, minus infinity to plus infinity del of t minus pi dt. And del of t minus pi value is nothing, it is just a 1. So the answer is sine pi by 2, and sine pi by 2 is called nothing, it is just a 1. So the first having the answer 1. Now for the second part, if you want to solve, everyone, for the second part, if you want to solve, cos t minus pi by 2, cos t minus pi by 2 del of 2t minus pi dt. Yes, this is the question. So everyone try to understand. Here, if you want to take the scaling parameters 2, and we already know that del of at equal to 1 upon mod of a del of t. Hope you guys remember this point. Everyone understood this point. Del of at equal to 1 upon mod of a del of t, right? Okay. So we can write minus infinity to plus infinity cos of t minus pi by 2, and here we can write del of 2 I am taking common. So t minus pi by 2 dt. So 2 is called scaling parameter here, we can write. And pi by 2 is called nothing, it is just a shifting. Sir, can I watch this class later? Yes, when do definitely. So minus infinity to plus infinity, we can write cos t minus pi by 2 del 1 by 2 I am writing first. Dt. And now we can write, everyone try to understand where it is present pi by 2. So we can write here the t equal to pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 minus cos pi by minus pi by 2, that is called nothing, it is just a cos 0. So we can write 1 by 2 into cos 0 minus infinity to plus infinity del of t minus pi by 2 dt. This one having the value 1. So answer will be nothing, it is just a 1 by 2. For the everyone written, right? 2022, 2023, anybody can watch. This is the free series. So this is the answer is 1 by 2. Now, if you want to discuss about the third one, everyone, how we are going to solve, only for the practice written. If you have a knowledge regarding to the signal system, then you can watch it. Third one, yes, the third one having the answer 0. Why? Everyone try to understand. Oh, sorry. तो कोई बात नहीं. Third, if you want to discuss minus pi by 6 to pi by 6 cos pi by 2 del of 3t minus pi dt. Now you can write in this particular function, you can write minus pi by 6 to pi by 6 cos 1 by 3 outside. Now everyone try to understand. If you put here, it should be the what? Pi by 3. Now, but we cannot put the pi by 3. Why? Everyone. Because you can feel the integration, this impulse is present. If you want to write, this impulse is present at what? Impulse is present at pi by 3. And we are taking the integration limit will be always here minus pi by 6 to pi by 6 in this range. So in this particular range, cos is present, but in this particular range, this impulse is not present. So if the impulse having in this particular range the 0, so the 0 is multiplied with this function, you will get nothing, it is just a 0. So the answer of this question is nothing, it is just right. Yes, bitten. Okay. Bilkul. Now everyone just give me the answer of this question. I am giving you the option also for this. A option is called 2. Do not write here. B option is called 1 by 2. C option is called 1 ने 5 दे दिया तो 5 भी दे देते हैं. And D option is called none. Everyone. This is the homework question given, right, already. Okay, Tanay, that's great. $25 is remaining for this question. Quickly, people respond this question, right? Okay, 40 people responded. Means 71 percent people has given the answer, correct answer, that is called C. 16% people has given the answer B. 4% people has given the answer A. 9% people has given the answer C. So the leaderboard Sonali Thakur has given the fastest answer for this question. बहुत ही बढ़िया, Sonali. So the correct answer of this question is 5. Everyone first try to understand. If you'll limit A tends to 0 for the G of t, you will get f of t. So what should be the value of f of t? It will give you 10 del of t plus 1. Actually, the f of t is called nothing. It is just a 10 del of t plus 1, right? 10 del of t plus 1. So if you want to write, it is called, because if you impulse, it is a parent signal of impulse, right? So if you want to solve minus infinity to plus infinity, cos upon t square plus 1 into 10 del of t plus 1 dt. And now we can write, everyone try to understand. Impulse is present at what? Minus 1. So we can put here the minus 1. Every t is replaced by minus 1. And 10 I am writing the outside. So it will become 10 cos 0 upon 2. Because minus 1 ka square plus 1, 2. And here you are getting minus infinity to plus infinity del of t plus 1 dt. We already know that this part having the value 1. This part having the value 1. So answer is called nothing. Cos 0 is also 1. So 5. So answer is called nothing. It is just a 5. So very good. Answer of this question is nothing. It is just a 5. Okay. One more question I am giving you, everyone. Just give me the answer of this. A option 5. B option 10. C option 2. D option none. Everyone just try to solve this question. I1 is given this. I2 is given this. You have to find out the I1 plus I2. 1 minute time I've given for this particular function. So everyone solve this question. Okay. $20 is remaining for this question. Four, three, two, one, boom. 79% people has given the correct answer of this question. That is called 42. Again, the Sonali Thakur, absolutely correct. Top position. Govind Raj, Divya, Kunal, Krunal, Kanak, Samukta, Amulya, Shivam, Akshad, Sneha, Sanskriti, Amulya. अरे दो अमूल्य हैं. Amulya, BM, and Amulya. Okay. Tanay, Abhinaya, Kalyani, very good. So almost everybody has given the correct answer. Yogesh, correct answer of this question is B. Everyone. How we are going to solve this question, sir? Here the impulse is present at what? 1. So we can write here 1. So you are getting the 1. So you will get the answer is called nothing. It is just a 5. And this one is going to be 1. So answer is called nothing. It is just a 5. And for this one, if you want to write, the answer is 0. Why we can say that 0? कोई दिक्कत नहीं विनीत, स्पीड तो बाद में बन जाएगा. एवरीवन जस्ट ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. गिव मी 1 minute गाइस. Okay. So everyone try to understand what should be the meaning of I1. I1 is called 5 and I2 is called nothing. It is just a 0. How we can write the 0? Because this impulse is present at -1 and limit is taken from 0 to 5. So the impulse multiplication will give you the 0 value, because impulse itself is not present in this particular range, because this impulse is out of the range. Of limit of summation. Everyone understood? That's why I1 is called 5. So this is the answer, correct, 5. Can anybody sketch these two functions? U of t minus 1 minus u of t minus 2 and u of minus t plus 2 or into. It is called into, right? You have to multiply this. U of t minus 1. I have already given key one function can be formed by the several way. So everyone try to understand. Everyone. If you take u of t minus 1, so it will be happen like this. And if you take u of t minus 2, it will be happen like this. So this is called nothing. It is just a -1. This is called -2. This is called u of t minus 1. This is called u of t minus 2. This is magnitude 1. This one also having the magnitude. So if you'll subtract it, only from, not minus क्यों लिख दिया यार? +1, sorry. Yeah, plus. So we can write, if you'll subtract it, you will get from 1 to 2 the magnitude. Not -1 to 1 to 2. This is called u of t minus 1 minus u of t minus 2. Everyone, hope this point is basically understood by you. Now everyone, can anybody sketch u of t minus 1? Now everyone try to understand. If you'll form u of, if I will ask the question regarding to u of minus t plus 2 and u of t minus 1. Everyone, and if you'll multiply these two functions, u of minus t plus 2 into u of t minus 1, how it is going to be looking like. So everyone try to understand. U of minus t plus 2 is called nothing. It is just like this, right? Hope you understand. And u of t minus 2 is called nothing. It is just like this. 1 to infinity. Now if you want to multiply these two signal, guys, if you want to multiply these two signal, how we are going to write it? Sir, if you want to do the multiplication now, sir, only from minus infinity to 1, this is 1, this is 0. So 1 into 0, 0. After the 2, it is 0, it is 1. So 0 into 1, 0. But from 1 to 2, both function are present. It is, this is 1, this is 1. 1 into 1, you will get 1. So your answer should be, so you are getting the same. So sometimes it is essentially required to look the function by the some other approach also. Lots of, because everybody is basically, sometimes you can feel this type of function is given. In the one of the option they are giving like u of a minus t plus 2 and u of t minus 1. Now you can feel no, this one is not, because generally we have a tendency to multiply the subtract or add the function only. So now you can understand this one is equivalent. By both you are getting the same function, right? Okay, one thing more, everyone, if you understood this point, guys, one question I'm asking, everyone try to understand one question I'm asking, and that question we'll discuss the tomorrow, right? And that question is, this is called f of t, and one function is called nothing, it is just a g of t. Minus 3, this is called g of t. Write the g of t in the terms of f of t. Write the g of t in the terms of f of t. Very good, Vinayak. Anybody else? It's a very easy question. It's not that much of tough question. It's a very easy question, right? From this f of t, we have to write the g of t, right? So do one thing. First, we have to do the reversal. This is essentially required. Or otherwise, you can do the one thing more. Without reversal, if you want to do, in the natural order, if you want to solve this question, then you can do one thing. So it is 0 to 2, we required 4. So by 2 scaling, we can do first, right? In the scaling. So I'm writing g of t by 2. If you'll do g of t by 2, this is going to be looking like this. And whenever the reversal and scaling is given, it does not make any difference which one you are doing the first. So it is 0, it is 2, it is 4. Now if you want to sketch minus t by 2, then it is going to be looking like this. It's very simple. It's not that much of tough. It's very simple. And now you have to change the magnitude. So minus 3 g of minus t by 2, you will get the answer. Oh, sorry, f. Yes. We are doing the in the f of na, not in the g of. Yes, f. We have to do the changes we have to done into the f. Yes, Vinayak. So hope you guys understood. Everyone just write down yes or no. Now in the shifting, scaling, and reversal and the impulse function, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Minus 3 na magnitude is given minus 3. That's why I'm writing minus. Now you have any doubt up to this portion, because in the class also you are asking lots of doubt. So now anybody having the doubt into the shifting, scaling, reversal, any type of problem, doubt, anything you can ask me. Doubt? Clear, sir. No big no. Okay, no. That's great. Very good. Now let me discuss about the signum function, everyone. Sanmukta, we are starting with the basic parts, right? Tomorrow you can feel, right, how much you can say that the complicated question I will ask, right? Because in the step or in the impulse, there will be no difficulty. Difficult we can form by the derivative of impulse. So differentiation and integration will cover today. I don't worry. Okay. Now everyone try to understand signum function if you want to write. Try to understand what should be the meaning of signum t. There will be some predefined functions are there. This is called signum t. It is called signum t. 1. If you are writing 1, it is called -1. Then it is called 1 signum t. Right? You can write 1 signum t. If you are in the problem, it will be given like this. Suppose if you are writing this is called -2 and this is called 2. This is called nothing, it is just a 2 signum t. Yes, Vineet, correct. Vineet, absolutely correct, right? Okay. Bhagwati, Bhagwati said this is also possible now. Which one is possible? Okay, last question. There will be several technique are there, Bhagwati, don't worry. Now one thing more, everyone. Suppose in the question they're asking about, suppose one question if I'm asking this is -1, this is called 2. And now I'm asking, this is called suppose f of t. This is not a signum function. But if you want to write this f of t, the signum function, how we are going to write? So everyone, if you want to write the signum t, if you want to write in this particular function in the form of signum t, you can feel what is the total magnitude change? 3. So half in the upward direction, half in the lower direction. So we can write, very simple it is, sir. So it is called 3/2. So we can write everyone. (3/2) minus 3/2, and it is called 3/2. This is called nothing, it is just a 3/2 signum t. Now it is called 3/2 signum. It is -1. The meaning of this one is called nothing, it is just a -1.5. And this one is called nothing, it is just a +1.5. Now we want to make it 2 and we want to make it 0.5. How we are going to make it? Sir, if you'll add the half in it. So if you'll add the half on it, you will get the same function. So everyone, this f of t is called nothing. This f of t is called nothing, it is just a 1/2 plus 3/2 signum t. Three by two signum t. Okay. Up to this portion, do you have any doubt? You can ask me, everyone. Okay. Okay, one question I'm asking everyone. One question. Can anybody sketch? This is a homework question for you. Tomorrow we'll discuss the question. Sketch signum inside the function sin t. Sketch the signum sin t. So previous first. 5 plus u5. Dinesh, why u5? u5 means nothing, it is just a 1. If you want to find the answer u5 means nothing, it is just a 1. 5 plus ut. So 5. No, wrong. Dinesh, 5 plus ut means what? If you want to write 5 plus ut, the meaning of this one is, it is called like this. अरे जैसे मैथ्स में होता है ना, कुछ भी नहीं हो जाता यहाँ पे, है ना? Just like a maths, everything should be having the logic, and you guys already aware about the logic. कि सर ये 5 है, and this is called u of t. So Dinesh, if you'll add it, what value you will get? You will get like this. You will get like this, 5. 6. So you will get, this one is called 5. This one is called 6. This is called 5 plus u of t. Now it says previous question, u of t. U of t plus signum t is correct. U of t is the signum t you can write. There will be another way to write this also. You can write, this one is called nothing, it is just a u of t plus signum t. Yes, you can write it. You can also write like this, no issues. Yes, Anju. Because signum t minus 1 to 1, and in the positive side, if you add the 1, it will become 2. So correct. So guys, take this question as a homework. In the next class, that is tomorrow, we'll discuss this question also. Bilkul, Vinayak. Thank you. So everyone, take care. Yes, it is in the form of pulse. Correct, Bodipu. It is in the form of pulse. But try to solve this question. See you at 9 o'clock, right? Till that, thank you very much. All the very best, guys. Thank you. Thank you. And one thing more, do attend. And whenever the people ask the questions, apart from this session now, I will not going to entertain. Or especially those concepts which we have covered into the class or in this particular free series. So bye-bye, guys. Thank you. Take care. Thank you.